Hello, future pharmacists. My name is Ben Stevens, and I'm lucky enough to be your instructional support specialist over the next 3 years. I am coming to you from the Drug Information Center, where my office is located. It's right over here. So please feel free to stop by if you ever have questions, concerns, or just want to say hello. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about my position and just a little bit about my background. I am currently at the ExamSoft conference in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. So sorry I missed you, but please feel free to stop by next week just to say hello. All right, so let's hide this and get going. So here is the instructional path that we follow at the College of Pharmacy. Anything that you are seeing on the screen right now, I am happy to support from the faculty side and the student side. So for example, all the lecture hall technology, our learning management system, which is Blackboard, and then your summative, your big tests like your midterms, your finals, will all be through ExamSoft. So big picture here, I'm happy to support the learning all the way through the instructional cycle. So a little bit of background about me. I'm going into my 13th year working in education, so it matters to me. This is my passion. I really am excited about helping you get to where you want to be, being the best pharmacist that you can be. So I started as a special education teacher for 3 years, got more interested in the technology side of things, so I went into a technology role and then into a teacher support role. And last year was my first full year with the College of Pharmacy and have loved it so far. And lucky for you, I've gotten all my rookie mistakes out of the way, so this year is going to be even smoother. Here's the official write-up of my position. So just a couple of things to point out. I'm on the educational technology side of things, so I'm not the IT guy, which can be a little confusing. And I do want you to notice that I am focused on your student learning, your assessment, anything that makes you the best possible pharmacist that you can be. All right, so here is the million-dollar question. What is IT, and then what is my role? Here's the analogy I've come up with so far. So if you were a weaver, and this analogy is not the best, I'm still working on it, hang in there with me. If the loom breaks, the equipment actually breaks, that's IT. So if the system is not working as expected, so Wi-Fi goes down, you've cracked your iPad screen, something is actually not working, it is broken, that would be an IT issue. Also passwords, that comes up a lot. So I can help you with that process, but IT will be involved in resetting passwords. Okay, so my role is if you're not happy with the outcome, or if you just need help with the learning, that is my role, using the technology to get the best possible outcome. Okay. So I will keep working on that analogy, I promise. So I am not with you today, but I really would like you to be on a first name basis with me. So my name is Ben, and I have an acronym to help you remember what I can help you with. All right, so first, Blackboard. Blackboard, our goal is to make that a one-stop shop. So you are going to be hearing a lot of different resources today, a lot of different links. All of those can be housed in Blackboard. So as long as you can get to Blackboard and logged in, hopefully everything else is just branched off from there. So any Blackboard issues, I'm your guy. ExamSoft. So if you have a problem downloading an exam, uploading, Examplify is not working correctly, happy to help you with that as well. Quick note on ExamSoft here. If Dr. Can or myself asks you to update the software, this is the most serious I'm going to be during this video. If we ask you to update, please do update the software. And I'm sure Dr. Can is there with you, so if you have follow-up questions, she can explain why that is so important. All right, so my serious voice is over. All right, so in anything I can do. So I am not in the IT department, and I'm not in the business of stepping on their toes. I have found electrical tape for a student with a frayed cord during a finals week. So if you have an issue and you're not sure where to go, please feel free to stop by my office. I might direct you somewhere else, but I'm always happy to point you in the right direction. So anything I can do to support you. All right, so we're right at 5 minutes. my last thing, I have zero judgment. You are going to be a pharmacist. I know that you're a very smart person. Sometimes people are a little embarrassed to ask technology questions. That is not me. I will never make you feel guilty about that. We are solutions oriented here at the DIC, so please never hesitate to ask any sort of question. Thank you so much. I hope to meet you when I get back from the conference, and enjoy orientation. All right, bye.